another video, and I am here to show y'all my Afterpay order and how it works. So this is not my first time ordering from Afterpay. I got my package right here. I already opened it. I'm gonna be showing y'all the things I ordered later, but first we're gonna get into how this Afterpay service works. So it's a very convenient service for, like, if you don't want to pay the full payment right on out. You can make payment plans within up to 4 times, and you pay every 2 weeks. So every work check you could pay it off, or you could pay it earlier depending on how your funds are. So what I ordered from Anastasia Beverly Hill, and I ordered 4 items, and my whole total came up to $94. And so these are the items I ordered. I ordered the melt proof brow kit, that was $30. I ordered the loose setting powder, that was $36. And I ordered the powder bronzer, that was $28. And my whole total came up to $94. So I didn't want to pay that whole payment right then and there. So my first payment I had to pay on it was $24, I believe, but we're gonna get into the payments later. But so here go the items I paid. Oh, and you have to purchase your purchase have to be at least $35 or more to even approve for Afterpay. You can't buy anything for $10 and then think you for to make payments for $10. It got to be $35 or more. So here go the items I ordered. Let me see if I can make it bigger. Here go the items I ordered. The brow kit, the loose setting powder, and the bronzer. And my whole total, let's see, came up to $94. And I ordered from Anastasia Beverly Hill. And it's very convenient, you guys, especially if you don't want to spend that much right then and there. So let's get into the app. So here go the Afterpay app. Let me see. Oh, come on. Okay. So this is how the Afterpay app look right here, guys. I'm gonna click on it, and let's see. So Afterpay is an app where it's like you financing your items, but it doesn't it doesn't help your credit or anything. But if you is late, you do get like a late fee, or what is it called, a percentage. I forgot what it's called, but you do get a late fee if you're not making your payments on time. So it's an app where it have over maybe 700, if I'm mistaken, comment down below, but it have a lot of stores that you can order from up to shoes, clothes, house item, makeup, a lot of different things. And you go on there, you find and explore store offerings. What else? Let's see, what else? They send you a reminder, like they send you text messages to remind you when your payment is due, and to make sure that you have the funds in your account, so they automatically take it out. Or you don't have to do the automatic thing. You just have to remember, once that reminder come into your phone, remind yourself, I gotta make this payment, if you don't want the automatic payments to come out your account. You could view and manage your orders. So I'm gonna show y'all how mine work. Okay, so Here go my order. This the Anastasia Beverly Hills one for $94. And my first order was from ColourPop, which the palette was $42. And let's see, I think I got one more payment to make on that ColourPop palette, and I was making $10.56 every 2 weeks because I only ordered the ColourPop palette, which was $42.24. So my payments was $10.56, and you have an average of four payments to every 2 weeks. So my final payment right here, which is $10.56, and I have to make that is due on the 3rd of November. Now let's go to my recent order, which is Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I don't want y'all to see my well, y'all can't do nothing with my card or anything. So my whole total was $94, like I said, and my first payment was $23.50, and then I got like 3 more payments to make, and I make those payments every 2 weeks when I get paid. So you go on the app or whatever, and it show you your order numbers, your order detail, and everything. So I have $70.50 remaining that I have to pay off, and I like it because you don't have to like spend all your coins on makeup and be broke. You could like set up payment plans and you get your items. I got my items already. They came today. And yeah, let's go through it. So my first item, I'm opening the box. Try not to show y'all my address. So let me push this back. So if you know, my order came in today, and I think I purchased this maybe 2 days ago, or whatever. So you get a return slip in case you don't like the items, or it's something you order and it came out, you don't like it. They send you a return slip, and you get like a receipt of all the items you ordered. You get a receipt of all the items we ordered, and then you get like instruction on what you need to do if you want to return something. So my first item I'm pulling out is the loose powder, the loose setting powder. And you get like big items. Look how big this is. So I got this. And then I got the powder bronzer. And this video not sponsored. Of course it's not sponsored because I am a smaller channel. I don't have a lot of views. So I'm just doing this out just because I want to, and show y'all how Afterpay work, because whoever came up with the Afterpay is brilliant. Okay, let me tell you that. Okay, so here go my my powder bronzer. Okay, and then here go the brow kit. The brow kit. So it comes with the dip brow pomade, the dip brow gel, and then the brush. So the dip brow gel, the brush, and then a dip brow pomade right here. And all of this came out to $90, and I'm only making $24.50. I'm only making a payment of $24.50 $23.50 every 2 weeks. And I made my first payment when I ordered the stuff, because of course you have to make a first payment when you order the stuff. So I have 3 more payments remaining, and then I'm done, you know, paying it off. And it doesn't help your credit or anything. It's just convenient for you if you don't want to spend all your coins on makeup. You see how much it all came out up to $94. Now say that was all you had, $94, but you know what I'm saying, you wanted some makeup. You didn't have to spend your whole $94. I only spent $23.50 out of that $94, and I still got money left over. So yeah, I mean, if y'all are interested into Afterpay, go ahead, check it out. You might like it, you might not like it. However, everybody have, you know, their own opinions about this Afterpay thing. But I think it's a great idea, brilliant idea. I think it's very convenient. And yeah, I mean, you don't have to only order makeup. You can order clothes. You could order house items. I don't know how far as house item, I don't know like what, because I didn't dig deep into the house items, but I know it's on there. Like the stores are on the Afterpay. Shoes, kids clothes, you know, just check it out and you might love it. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. And if you have any comment, or if I didn't mention anything, leave it down below, and I'll check it out. Thank you. Have a nice day.